Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Planet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register for the TCS iON Career Edge in Professional program step by step. If you are a student, fresher or graduate, this is a free program by Tata Consultancy Services and it will help you improve your communication and interview skills. What you will learn in this video. In this video, I will show you how to open the official website, how to create an account and how to enroll in the course and how to start learning. So watch till the end. First open your browser and search for TCS iON Career Edge in Professional. Then click on the official TCS iON website. Once the page opens, you will see an option like subscribe for free or register. Click on that. Now you need to create your account. Fill the details like name, email ID, phone number, and password. Then no need of password. Then click on submit or register. Now you have to verify your account. You may receive an OTP on your mobile phone or email. Enter OTP and verify your account. After entering your details and validating your mobile number, you will see the option continue with Google. Just click on that. Now, when you click on continue with Google, you will get two pop-ups. First pop-up, are you sure you want to subscribe to TCS iON Career Edge in Professional? Click on confirm. Second pop-up, successfully subscribed. Now click on get started. After clicking on get started, your dashboard will open. Here you will see my product section and your enrolled courses. It will show something like enrolled on 19/4/2026. Now click on TCS iON Career Edge and Professional Batch 4. Then click on launch. After clicking on launch, you will enter the official learning environment of TCS iON. This is a complete interview readiness program. First, you will see instructions, guidelines, platform usage details. Carefully read all of them. After reading, click on Mark as read. Only then it will be considered as completed. Now you will see the day-wise structure. Day 1, communicate to impress, improve interpersonal skills, course content, target audience, post information. You have to read all content, watch videos, complete tasks, and then click on Mark as read. From tomorrow onwards, I will upload videos from day 1 to day 15 continuously, so stay tuned. If you want to know why this course is important, I already made a separate video. Go and check that. Also, I explained how to search internships about Forage internships in my previous video. Now, in the dashboard, you will also see a tab called Digital Discussion Room. Click on Visit. This is a place where students discuss doubts, ask questions, and share ideas. So, if you have any doubts, you can use this section. So, this is the complete process from registration to dashboard access. Now, you are ready to start your learning journey. If you haven't checked my previous series on Tata internships from the Courage platform, I already explained everything from registration to certification there as well. Many students got benefit from that series. If you feel this video is helpful and genuine, please like, share, and subscribe to Study Planet. Your support motivates me to upload daily content and help you throughout this journey. Thank you for watching Study Planet.
Are you looking for an internship and a job opportunity after that? Starting with something in demand like this data analytics virtual internship by Tata. Yes, Tata providing virtual internship on data analytics. It's completely free and adds great value to your resume. During interviews,